Hello, crafty friends. It's Shalon back with a new project for the Printable Cuttable Creatables design team. And here I am with this is BOO Sheet cut file designed by Printable Cuttable Creatables. This just tickled my funny bone, and I knew that I needed to make some sort of something with this project. As you can see over on the left hand side of my screen, it does come with an offset, and it comes with a regular cut file in addition to the vinyl cut file that I'm currently working with to make sure that I am setting it up for use on a t-shirt. I made sure to mirror image my file before I sent it off to cut. Here we are at my crafty desk, and I am weeding out the cut file. I tried to weed off all of the excess in one big piece just for easier cleanup, since this is just a simple file. But what I really tried to do that you're about to see in a minute is I tried to slowly weed out the center part of the ghost because I wanted to see if I could save it and possibly use it later. I was able to weed out the center part of the ghost, and it is so super cute, and I was trying to think up of a couple of different ideas that I could use with it. It makes me sad that my little one is now 5. She's no longer in toddler mode, because I could see this just being an adorable grumpy ghost on a toddler t-shirt. I thought it also would be really cute on a pillow or on a trick-or-treating canvas bag. I could totally see decorating a trick-or-treating canvas bag for littles to go out with the innards of this ghost. It really did weed off very cleanly. I got the little waves, which I was really concerned about with the pulling of the vinyl, stretching out the little waves of the ghost there. And in just a second, you're going to see how they came out so cute. See, you could see the little waves, perfect. And then I was able to reuse the same transfer sheet that is right here for the original file, and I just re-put it on there to make it easy to adhere to wherever I wanted to. What I just did there was I took my cover sheet and I folded my cover sheet in half, because that makes it way easier to press and make sure that everything is nice and centered. Here I am at my heat press, and I like to do a little heat press to warm the fabric and also to get that center line, so when I'm lining up my file, I line it up to the center. After I do that, I try to line it up on my heat press there, and I also use a T-square ruler, and I like to place my design about 3 inches down from the center collar point to the top of my design. That's about the rule of thumb that I use for adult designs. It is a little bit closer to the neckline for youth. It's about 1.5 inches. I have a chart that I found on Pinterest, actually, that I refer to whenever I'm going to align my designs to make sure that they look great. The one thing that was a little bit tricky is that my ruler, although it is see-through, the numbers are black and my shirt is black, so I had to mark the spot with my finger. Here I am, I'm just pressing, and I'm using a piece of parchment paper as my cover sheet. I do have the actual Teflon paper, but I just find that I get better presses when I use just a regular plain old piece of Reynolds cooking parchment paper. This is Caesar Easy Weed, so it can be a hot peel. So I always like to do the hot peel, and then I just press it again with parchment paper for another 5 seconds. And then what I like to do is I just like to hold it up to the light, as you see here, so I can make sure that I see the texture of the shirt through the HTV, and then I call it done. Here I am modeling the shirt for you, and here's another viewpoint. I hope you give this quick and easy and super fun craft a try. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.